Hello, my name is Pakistan. I am straight from Iraq. I come here to tell you about myself. I was just born today, and my name is Iraq. I was born at Rustic Rooster by a kid named Logan Amar. I have 16 brothers and no sisters. My father's name is Logan Moore. If you have any questions about Faye, you can ask on Google or Rhino1. We are always looking for new friends. Add us to your friends list today. Here is some more about me. My birthday is November. My birthday, just a second. November 15th. I am a camel. This is my body. So if you have any questions about me, ask on my Rhino1 YouTube channel or webkins. Goodbye. Oh wait, no, one more thing. I want to know, for example, look on